Flashback.
Holy shit. What's that for? I don't know, I guess you're gonna have to wait till the next video.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I appreciate you stopping by for today's video. It's around 6:30 in the morning today. We have a long trip to South Carolina. If you saw latest video, you saw that Foster went and pulled out $50,000 in cash and $100 bills. Told you to stop by this video to see what we're going to buy, and it is going to be an exciting one. We are driving to pick up two vehicles today. It's not just any two vehicles, two iconic American vehicles. I'm very excited. I have never driven either of the two. Seen them my whole life, but I've never actually gotten to ride in one. Better yet, drive one back from South Carolina to Florida. So today is going to be very, very fun, very exciting. So I hope you guys can sit back and enjoy. With that being said, let's get into today's video. All right, we've made it to Foster's house. We've got his Supra there. I believe that's what we are taking today is his X3M. And then we've got the dud G80 M3 that nobody thinks actually made 875 in the tire.
Foster, are you excited?
No, dude, this sucks. I can't wander this far.
It's
not allowed.
First Buc-ee's go, dude.
Yeah,
Are you excited?
It has a radius when he leaves.
Super excited.
I don't know.
Radius.
It's a 5-mile circle. Unless it's going to
Daytona Beach Bussies.
I've never been to
He
Buckles.
said, is it like a Wawa?
Like a 7-Eleven?
No, it's a Walmart, dude. This place is massive.
Like a what do you call that? Like a grocery Walmart? Like just a neighborhood
dude.
Walmart? Or
They got like little.
It's like the BJ's of gas stations.
They sell brisket.
Good brisket.
They sell brisket in the morning though?
Brisket,
Yeah.
pulled pork, all day, I think.
That's brought the breakfast burritos. Gas.
Brisket on the board. About to take off right here on the highway. Where's just got a plane?
Dude's an astronaut. Whoa!
He's walking in like
This
paparazzi.
place cannot be that great.
Do you know how famous people are about to think you are? I'm gonna just film you so it just adds the effect. For his first time at Buc-ee's. He's walking out with a beaver plushie,
sell
beaver
grills?
nuggets.
Grills, lawn chairs.
All right, I told you it's Walmart. It's Walmart.
What do you want? They got smokers,
I should have brought my truck.
fire pits.
Fresh brisket on the board.
Yo, dude, that lady said, "You've never been to a Buc-ee's before?" I'm on it.
Say it. Fresh brisket on the board.
Fresh brisket on the board!
See, dude, it's like an experience.
Brisket on the board. The house, bro.
What do you think so far?
I don't know.
Did you know this was right down the road? You
No.
gotta come back tomorrow. Tried to grab a basket.
That's got weight to it. Feel that?
I have felt it. I've been here before. Every normal human's already been here. You like pecans?
They're pretty good.
Pecan or pecan?
Pecan.
My friend's just getting groceries.
Who got Buc-ee bad?
We got Buc-ee's really bad. What'd you think of your first Buc-ee's experience, dude?
Honestly, if I would have stayed away from the soda, it would have been amazing.
First spent $70.
But this soda really just turned my smile into the frown.
Now that it's 9 a.m.
We are leaving. We're told to be ready at 6:45.
Dude, this is all me?
Who's driving, bro? He's like, the car pulled me off the Buc-ee's, dude.
I was ready to go at 6:30.
I was about to find out he got scammed.
Right? There's no cars here.
No cars here.
I see the lightning, bro. Come on.
See what?
So I seen the lightning.
Bro just gave it up.
Tell them we're here for the truck. The GMC.
Sucks at his job.
Huh?
Says just sucks at his job.
Ew. Bro's got a piss rag on the car.
So I'm bringing you back again.
Yeah, that's excellent.
So the trunk's wrapped?
Yeah.
Freaking clean, bro. Now's the part where he goes, surprise, Parker. Got this shit for you, bro. Appreciate all the help. All right, mechanic, check it out. Start kicking tires and shit.
They look tires like that. I like this. These are...
More of a lightning guy than a Cobra guy?
Yeah.
I'm just glad you're getting to see some American stuff. All right, Foster, it's been 3 hours. We're finally here. We got $50,000 cash. What are we picking up? What do we got here?
Picking up this 2003 Terminator and a 2004 Ford Lightning.
Who's the buyer?
Right here.
All right, what's up?
What's going on?
Yeah, I try to leave a nice little display. I know you guys were coming with the film and the crew and everything, so I figured I'll stage it out for you. Obviously, this is pretty hard for me, so I started a little early today. Yeah, I played a Paul Walker song a little while ago, so till we meet again. But yeah, man, I got it all staged out. The certificates are there. You got the dyno tune is on the inside there. I got the titles inside. So if you want to give me a minute, I'll open up the garage, bring out the titles, the keys. I'm sure you're dying to drive them.
Yeah. And
So-
they're super clean in person.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. I try to spruce them up. Like I said, I took this one out yesterday. Picked up that title. I mean, fuck, man, I couldn't ask for anything better. Going out like a champ. So she pulled the title from, she pulled the trophy for me. This one I got in 2023. And so that was like a really cool moment. I think I sent it to you already?
Yeah.
The picture?
Yeah.
There's a video too, and yeah, I had a speech and all that stuff. So, and everybody's still hitting me up. I think I still got like a good 100 inquiries on it. Like, did it go yet? Did it go yet? So, yeah, it's been interesting. But let me get the keys.
You excited? I swear I almost saw bro smile for 1 second. He was so close to smiling.
That's sad to know
I
that
knew he fucking didn't. I knew he didn't want to get rid of these cars.
You know you didn't what?
I knew he didn't want to get rid of these cars because when I was talking on the phone, he was like, he had like names for them and all this, and I'm like, dude, honestly, I feel bad buying these cars. He's like, yeah, I feel bad selling them. I was like,
All right, which one you want to drive first?
drive the truck first.
All right. That's this one. This used to have a fuel door key. I'm gonna leave that because it might be in the back. And then this locks the bed. You got one key there, two
Hey,
more
what's going
here, and these are chipped. They're all programmed. They're all ready to go. This one's also a chip key, but it's the only one for the Mustang. Boy, Alex.
Clean, dude.
That's Kurgan Motorsports. That's the tune that shows you 637 to the wheels. That's the self-tuning package there. So once you learn the program and how to tune it yourself, you can dial it in. Kurgan did.
Yeah,
the
637.
That's probably gut wrenching to get rid of the set. Huh?
Matching pair.
It's killing me, man. It's kind of like I said, I was playing. Sending my boys, I was playing the freaking Paul Walker song. My boys was like, stop being so dramatic.
What'd you think?
Huh?
What'd you think?
Drive smooth.
Your boy gets to drive the Lightning home. It's my first time ever even getting this close to one, so I'm excited. Hopefully it doesn't make me buy one because I'm tired of spending money. All right. Hopefully I don't wreck Foster's car. The owner out there is having some fun.
at that smile.
She's like, I'll take that.
You know what? Never mind.
There's no going back now, dude.
Nah, that's it. Now that title, man, when I'm the trophy, that trophy got me thinking. So I had 93,000 miles when I got it. Well, it was
Ain't no going back now.
It was at 102.9 change, and then 30 to 40,000 miles before the next major service. So, that's it, guys. I guess we're ready to go to the shop, get you the rest of the parts, load up the wheels. So you guys can ride them now and follow me to the shop. Gotcha.
Cool, the deal is now done. Titles or signed, money has been exchanged.
Is this a bad time to tell you that as he was ripping it, all I could smell was burning oil?
Like, we were behind him, I didn't smell it.
We did.
Maybe it was that car burning, or that truck burning.
I wasn't even hitting. I was driving normal.
No, it was probably, no, hey, you know what it probably was? It was probably the fucking X3.
All right, dude.
fucking
Whatever
burning
helps you
horsepower.
sleep better at night.
He
Bro just took off with the keys.
He didn't want to leave you with the.
Took off with the keys and the $50,000.
He literally said that.
Oh my lord.
Yeah, I would love the keys. I got X3 keys.
Those aren't gonna do you very well, are they?
No, they're not.
Do you need me to tow your Cobra home with my Lightning? I got 2 sets of keys for it. I got the 360 cam on the Lightning. Hopefully that doesn't fall off as I am gapping the socks off of this Cobra. But
You ain't gapping shit, bud.
you ain't gapping shit,
I don't even have the
bud.
keys. I actually might get me.
All right, we're at a storage unit picking up some of the stock parts. Got the stock wheels for the Lightning, stock radio, everything like that. We're about to take our 4-hour journey back home, so hopefully no issues. I'm definitely gapping the shit out of that Cobra though. All right, boys, we are heading out. 4-hour drive here. Not worried about the Lightning. Not really worried about the Cobra either, to be honest, but that's the only one that's modified, so. Feel bad, that owner, dude, he loves these cars. Loves these cars. We'll take good care of them, bro. Foster will. I won't. All right, first question I've got. Does the Lightning whine like the Cobra? Let's see. That thing is kind of crazy. Definitely hear the whine. It's nowhere near as loud as the Cobra. Now I know the Cobra has a Whipple, but those things stock already whine like crazy. This one apparently does too. Not like crazy, but it's got a little bit of oomph to it. I have not gotten a ride in the Cobra. However, Foster was around 90 mile an hour and I saw the back tires still spinning. So I bet that thing is spicy. I would really like to, I'd like to see his angle of that. Brother. I don't think he notices. His hose is dumping whatever's in his big tank that has a caution sign on it onto the road. So cruising along for about 2.5 hours now. No issues at all. Fuel mileage is not the best. That's for certain. The sound system is fantastic. I have been bumping out the entire time. So Foster doesn't even have air conditioning. So definitely looking forward to getting back to the house and getting a ride in the Cobra. Because the truck is cool, don't get me wrong, but the Cobra definitely steals the show, in my opinion. I don't know about you guys. I've got about an hour and some change left, and then I guess we'll regroup and go from there. Okay, I have made it back to Foster's house in the Lightning. Foster has yet to make it back in the Cobra. So this settles it. The Lightning's faster, which means the Lightning's better. It's either that or I am better. My little boy made it back home. What'd you think of it? Comfy? Back hurt? You got a little power to it?
AC dried out my eyes. Other than that, it's not too bad.
Did you get some pulls in?
It doesn't hook.
Doesn't hook? That's a good sign though. Get a good tire on it, you can have some fun.
It's got a 315. How big can
It's
I
not
go?
it's just a hard tire. You need a soft tire.
Does this hook?
Does this hook?
Does this hook?
Yes, it hooks. It makes like 300 horsepower. Not that I try to
That's
dig.
650 for pinks right now.
Oh,
From a
no.
dig.
This runs a 14.25 miles, so it'd be pretty even based on my last outing. Well, it is now the next day. We got home
very, very late. Got some well-needed rest. With that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I did. I never got that close to a Lightning or a Cobra, better yet sat in them or drove them. I'm very excited to get a ride in the Cobra. Foster keeps telling me how amazing it is and how it just doesn't hook at all. It's drifting everywhere, burnouts everywhere. So I do want to get a video on that. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing it. Huge shout out to Foster. Most people are never going to get either of those cars in their life. Better yet, picking them both up. So that's huge. I thank you for trusting me and driving the whole thing 3 hours home. And shout out to Ford, because dude, 24 years and 21 years now for those two cars. And I guess shout out to the previous owner, because they are in fantastic condition. They made the trip no problem. Very excited to see what Foster does with them. No clue what his plans are yet. When I find out, I'm sure we'll make a video on it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see with those two cars, and I'll try and nudge Foster into doing it. He's already bought some drag radials for the Cobra because it doesn't hook. So I'm excited to see what that thing does. Maybe draggy them, see what they do 60 to 130. I don't know. But either way, that is going to do it for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.